Hey, it's Matthew, and this is a Hot Wheels 2020 Boulevard Mix B. In the US, this is Walmart only, but a good buddy of mine overseas sent me this, and you can see it's packaged pretty well. So let's crack this case open so you guys can see what's in each Boulevard case. So the case comes with two full sets, and you can see it has a card variant, the Nissan Silvia, and then this one is a Formula Drift. For those of you who think the card variant is going to be valuable, it wouldn't be because there's only one of the regular card in the case and one of the Formula Drift cards, so they're basically equal. So I arranged them into one set, so let's open these up. So the cards in the set are the Porsche 356 Outlaw, the Nissan Silvia S15, the Custom 62 Chevy Pickup, the 2018 Opel Camaro SS, and the KOENIGSEGG Agera R. So the first car is the Porsche 356 Outlaw. As you can see, it has the Mori Motorsports right here, an Outlaw, and on the back of these cars it just shows the cars in the set. So this car is yellow, then you can see it says number 81. So the front lights are pretty cool. The orange right here. Then Porsche on the back. And they also made it in Team Transport. This Porsche was designed by Mark Jones with approval from Magnus Walker. It was first made in 2016 as a mainline, but we have seen it as a premium in the air-cooled set and in Team Transport. So the next car is the Nissan Silvia S15. So here's the Formula Drift card, and you can see there's no difference to the car. It's just a card, Formula Drift, and on the back it just says Formula Drift. If you're wondering what Formula Drift is, it's basically like NASCAR where you race the cars, but instead you're drifting the cars instead of racing. So let's open this car up. So you can see this car is red, then blue on this side, FD68, Formula Drift. Then I really like how it's blue rims on the back and then red rims in the front. Matches the color. And the carbon fiber hood. This car is super cool with all the design on it. I really like the camo that they did on this. But what sucks is that since this has rubber wheels, it's not going to be good on drifting. If they make a main line of this, then that would be perfect for drifting. And then also in the Forza Replica Entertainment set, they also made this. This is the first version they made of the S15. The Silvia is always a hit with collectors, and it was first made in the 2018 Replica Entertainment set and has only been made as a premium car. next up is a custom 62 Chevy pickup. And you can see, of course, it has tension parts because it's surfboard. So you can see this car is silver, then the red on the side, red on the top, and the surfboard comes off. It just slides right back in. And then they also made this the last time as a premium for the convention. 66 or the 33rd Los Angeles convention. The Chevy has been around since 2008, and I like it when they add the surfboard in. In the last few years, we have only seen the surfboard on premium models. So next we have the 2018 Couple Camaro SS. So you can see it says Hot Wheels Garage Legends from the Legends tour, of course. So let's open this up. So you can see this car is orange, then different rims. You can see the fat tire rims. 2 black stripes on the top. There's Hot Wheels right here. This is really good detailing on this car. And you can see the roll cage. And then they've also made this as a toy fair. You can see the colors. This is a little bit darker orange, and then the stripes on top are a little different. And this has star rims. And this has different rims. This is only the second time we have seen this as a premium model. The first was a very hard to get toy fair version. So the last car is a Koenigsegg Agera R. I've been waiting for this car to come out again. The detail on the card is super cool too. So you can see this car is white, and the black right here, and the red stripes. Then more red stripes on the hood right here. You can see the ghost on the back. And also the mirrors. Cool headlights. This is super cool. I really like all the detailing they put on this, and the colors go super well. This car was first made in 2014, and we have been waiting for another since. This is a beautiful car, and I hope they make more color variations in maybe the Agera or Jesco. I also got to preview the FEP at the convention. And those are the cars with the codes on the top. And then also the ghost right here. I'll do a video in good detail about what this ghost means. They put it on every single Koenigsegg that's produced. And then this was the first Koenigsegg Agera R that they've made. You can see it's very different with the stripes and then the red. and they've improved a lot from the detailing of this. You can see how they added the ghost right here, and there was never a ghost here. The headlights are totally different. My favorite car is easily the Koenigsegg Agera R, because it's my favorite type of car. And make sure you have your notifications on, because I'm going to be dropping a video about this Koenigsegg in a few weeks, and it's going to be a banger. So thanks for watching, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite car is out of this 2020 Boulevard Mix B.